Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can see your card number on Wells Fargo app. So let's jump right in. If you're wondering whether you can see your full card number in the Wells Fargo app, you're definitely not alone. Let's clear up the confusion once and for all. With the updated Wells Fargo app, users now get a cleaner design and some handy new features. But a big question remains: can you actually view your entire card number through the app if you've lost or forgotten it? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Like most banks, Wells Fargo only shows you the last four digits of your card for security reasons. Even in the newest version of the app, there's no way to reveal your full card number, not in the app, and not on the website either. Why not? It's all about protecting your account. If your phone ever gets into the wrong hands, showing full card details could put your money at serious risk. That's why banks keep this info hidden by default. So what can you do if you've lost your card or can't remember your number? Your best bet is to find your physical card or reach out to Wells Fargo support to report it lost and request a new one. Bottom line, there's no option to view your full card number digitally, and that's a good thing. It keeps your information safe.